scientific question would be, how does the creation of a robot
showcasing scientific discovery? Middle school students across the Beaufort County School District are presenting months of research, testing, and discovery at their school-level science fairs. At H.E. McCracken Middle School, students are excited to share their projects with a panel of judges.
My project was a hydroelectric generator, which is a generator that creates electricity using the water currents off of Hilton Head. I made my project fully out of foam, and I wired the lights together, and I hooked it up to a generator and a paddle wheel, which the paddle wheel spins the generator to produce the electricity.
I developed a meteor tracker using Python system, which filters out airplane and stars, making it more successful in detecting meteors. The most important thing about my experiment is to get the data in the Python system. In the data statistics, you need a Panda system, which filters everything unnecessary and creates a graph for you.
At Beaufort Middle School, students proudly presented their hard work.
My project was, how does the price of nail polish affect the amount of chipping? So my actual experiment was, I glued some fake nails to a piece of cardboard and tapped them on a table, filed them, and soaked them in water. I found that the expensive nail polish actually chipped more than the cheap one.
My project was damage on tooth enamel. I did it because I know tooth enamel is very important to keep your teeth healthy, so I just wanted to make sure people know the effects of different sodas and how it can damage your tooth enamel and damage your teeth. I had eggshells and different sodas to see which one just had the most pitting and staining for damage.
The middle school science fairs encourage students to develop their own projects and explore them hands-on using the scientific method.
It is the personal choice of our students, and that is them taking ownership of their learning and to pass that learning on into our communities to make our world a better world for future generations.
The kids really chose projects that showcase their interest in things that they're hoping to learn more about for their future career. And I always am passionate about this because it allows kids to showcase things they're learning in class or things they're learning outside of the classroom as well, and hoping to bring that inquiry and that genius into their lives in the future.
Overall, more than 60 middle school students are advancing to the Low Country Regional Science and Engineering Fair in Charleston in March. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
And upgrading the system